Welcome to another episode of Soil King in the Victory Garden. On this episode, we're going to talk about trellis netting and the importance of quality netting. So as you can see, these are pole beans growing up. So it's nice to have an area. Some people use a string across with strings going up, which is great. There's plenty of different ways to get the job done. This is the way I love to do it. Plus I love biodegradable trellis netting, and we're going to talk about that right now. So green trees, Mr. B's green trees, for the last couple of years we've been talking about the contamination of trellis netting. Trellis netting gets everywhere. There's so many miles of trellis netting made and sold, thousands of miles really, just trellis netting, and all that netting gets bound up, twisted up, animals get their legs caught in it, birds get caught up in it. It's a problem. Mr. B's green trees, through the suggestions of us, and they've produced a biodegradable trellis netting, and we'll get more into that trellis netting and how it biodegrades in our compost videos that'll be coming up. But for now, you can be assured that this netting is going to deteriorate at some point and go back to nature, so that's a good thing. So lots of different things you can do with the trellis netting. Like here we have pole beans going up. Over here you can see cucumbers. So cucumber vines will end up growing up there, and you'll be able to grab a cucumber, pull it off, come over here, easily pick your beans, cut them up, make a salad with them, eat them raw, like I love to eat everything raw out of the garden, you know, or cook them up for your family. You see the little buds coming on here right now? There's two different types of beans. You'll find Kentucky pole beans and bush beans. So the two differences, a bush bean will grow on the ground and kind of vine out on the ground, and a pole bean wants to vine up on something. And like I said, there's plenty of different ways to vine up. Different ideas, people have all different kinds of ideas. This is what I like to do. Wait a minute. Yeah, see right here. Look at that. I mean, when you're in the Victory Garden and you crack open a cucumber, take a bite of it, you realize you produced part of heaven. Nothing better. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Soil King in the Victory Garden. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's important that we share the content. All the stuff that I educate on was freely educated to me, so I'm passing it back, so please pass that forward. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next episode.